Psychological egoism. We begin our discussion with the doctrine of psychological egoism. Egoism simply means that men are only concerned with their individual advantages, pleasures, and welfare and have no concern or care for others. Egoism is the doctrine that human beings are innately selfish. An important part of morality is concern for welfare of others and a general feeling of benevolence. If human beings are inherently selfish, it will be impossible for them to practice morality. Their psychological makeup is such as to prevent them from acting morally. It can be seen that psychological egoism is not a doctrine about ethical behavior. It is a psychological theory according to which men are so constituted that they always act in their selfish interest. It is not possible for them to act otherwise. Criticisms of psychological egoism. Psychological egoism is often criticized. It is inconsistent with the many common patterns of altruistic and other regarding human behavior. Many individuals go out of the way to help others. They help philanthropic causes through generous donations and devoted efforts. In many situations, people help others at the risk of their lives. Soldiers in battle situations sacrifice themselves for saving their comrades. Many parents struggle unmindful of personal comfort for the welfare of their children. There are many instances of mothers laying down their lives in an effort to protect their children. Psychological egoists argue that such examples do not invalidate their position. The seemingly altruistic conduct is a manifestation of egoist behavior. Egoistic behavior. Thus, in giving charity, an individual is satisfying his psychological need to feel superior to the persons in need, or it may be the source of pleasure to him. Thus, a mother jumping into a pool to save her kid may be trying to avoid a sense of lifelong guilt feeling she would harbor if she had not made the rescue effort. Psychological egoism portrays even acts of altruism and sacrifices as instances of satisfying one's impulses. This way of looking at things involves a strained interpretation of common occurrences. It also twists the meanings of commonly used words. It is a topsy turvy way of looking at things. Psychological egoists also argue that one need not always act from motives which are consciously selfish. Our motives are often unconscious and we are unaware that they are selfish. While people may claim or seem to act in a selfless or altruistic manner, there are hidden selfish motives behind such external appearances. This defense does not hold because it takes the matter away from the empirical field. Hidden motivations are unobservable and are therefore unverifiable. There is no way of determining whether they are true or false. It makes all actions of an individual selfish from the mere fact of his acting. It is like holding something as true by definition. There is no way of either proving or disapproving the idea. Thank you.